It's recording.
That's gonna be the thumbnail.
Hey everybody, welcome to Jaybird Disc Golf. We're doing some Discmania unboxing today, so stick around.
Bunch. We got 2 mystery boxes from Discmania. We got it pretty quick.
That's a bunch to us.
3 days. So it should be. They said what, $150 value over what we paid.
Yep.
So we'll be the judge of that.
Yeah. We'll see.
God bless. That's definitely gonna be the thumbnail. Oh no. You want to start with the news or start with the boxes?
Let's start with the boxes. I think this is the
main event.
It's the more intriguing
So
piece.
box, news, box. So we know we're getting
Box number 1.
C-Line MD1 in this. But everything else is just kind of up in the air, right?
And we start with. Oh, I'm gonna turn it away. How about that?
Flip
So
that
nobody
to
can see it.
Flip that to them, see what they can. There's not a disc, it's like a thing.
You get paper.
Yeah, you
That's
get some
always your
sort
first
of
thing.
paper.
You always get paper.
Yeah.
All right, this is the mystery box. Buy a box or use your box. Blah blah blah. Free to anyone who wants it.
We got 2 of them.
Here we go. First disc. We have a putter. Ooh.
Evolution Logic.
This is the extra soft EXO Soft Logic.
That might
Not as
go-
soft as an Omega,
That might go in my
but
bag.
it's got a really, really good touch to it.
There's the profile. Man, that feels really nice.
Mhm.
It's almost like a gummy. I don't know what that is. That's kind of nice.
Super flat though.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Extra soft XO.
Green's always a good color too.
Keep that there.
Here we go. We got another putter.
Uh-oh.
Ooh,
the double stamp.
The double stamp P2.
That's nice.
Yep. We got red and black.
For all
Prototype
you
P2.
Dogs fans out there.
Yeah. Would you like the honors of the next one? Oh, you got a whole box.
Yeah, I got a whole box. You
Please.
got a whole box.
Please.
Let's just see what we got.
Here we go. This is a fairway driver, that's for sure.
Is that nifty?
This is the Active Premium Genius.
All right.
With the, I don't know, it looks like a,
That's their
pretty
that's their
serious
Discmania
snowflake.
winter stamp. Yeah.
it's rather
Their
nice like.
special edition.
Pretty color though. Nice orange color. This is Active Premium Rockstar.
Yeah. Okay.
Orange again,
Rockstar.
different stamp. No idea of the weight. That's what makes them good. All right, we have another fairway driver. Wow. Black on silver.
That's pretty.
This is the Instinct.
Oh yeah.
My goodness,
If
is
you
this
like,
nice.
If you like T-birds.
Yeah, if you like fast T-birds, this is your disc.
Yeah.
I
that
love
thing's
mine.
Sweet.
176 grams. All right, first driver. Oh boy,
Ooh.
big old pop top.
Is that a DD3?
This is the C-Line DD3.
Ooh, and it's glow. It's got to be glow.
175 grams.
That's.
I don't know if that's glow or not.
I
I'll
want
have
to put
pull
that
out
in
the
my
black
bag.
light. Oh,
I
look at
really
that.
want to put that in my bag.
Look at that.
Oh.
Look at
Oh,
that.
come on.
We've got a molding issue. Come on, Discmania.
That's not good.
I know it's an XL, but gosh.
An Enigma.
Nice disc. For me, they're good for about a week. But, you know, for those who have kind of the arm that's not
Almost pro.
fully developed, we'll say.
Yeah, the almost pro arm.
Yeah, this is your disc.
Yeah.
This is a fantastic long distance driver.
It's a
I love
starter
it.
destroyer.
Yeah. That's a really nice, it's like a aquamarine kind of
Yeah, it's pearly.
stamp. I haven't seen that color before. Oh, this is the Tactic. Green again. But this has
That
some
is-
swirls. I don't know
Yeah,
if you
that's
can
a good
see
one.
that, but there are some swirls in this guy.
That
It's
is
got like a
dope-looking Tactic.
3-leaf clover on the thing.
That is a good looking.
Man, that's a
Tactic.
pretty disc.
Where's my
175.
C-Line MD1?
Well,
Is this the last disc?
they piece de resistance.
C-Line MD1.
Of course.
This is what I.
It's always hidden in the bottom under another.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
I want to see it too.
All right, fine. Here you go. Silver stamp. MD1.
That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
It looks a lot like a coyote.
It feels a lot like a coyote. It's just not as rounded.
Yeah.
It's got a little more of a sharper edge.
That's a cool stamp.
Yep.
Oh, it feels nice. For all you at home, this feels like a coyote, but it flies better.
Let's go with the news. All right. So, we are in 2 weeks. About a week and a half.
Week and a half. Next Tuesday, the 21st.
We're going to do a spin to win. That's our own personal just game that we're going to create. We have a big wheel that we're going to be spinning. It's going to have on each slot, it's going to have basically a prize. Every prize is worth at least $25.
Which is what you pay to enter.
Yep. If you want to have a spin on our wheel, all you have to do is pay $25. We'll spin the wheel during a live stream.
Just like this.
And wherever it lands, you get that item.
Yep.
But there's also an opportunity for a bonus gift.
Could be a Sexton Firebird.
Yeah, we're going to make one of the pies in our chart a bonus.
Could be a Cloudbreaker 3.
We're going to have a nice little section of, I guess,
bonus
side choice discs, we'll say.
A little add-on.
Each one of them is going to have a number associated with them. If you hit the bonus wheel, you get to, basically we will just pan the camera over. You'll see everything that's sitting there, and you get to choose what number you want, but you don't know what number is associated with which prize.
Yep.
We do.
Yep.
So if you would like to have the opportunity of, winning something that's at least worth your money, which is $25.
Yep.
But also having the chance of getting something even better, maybe a Sexton Firebird, $25.
Could be a Razor Claw 2.
That's all it's going to take.
Could be a Sexton.
We're going to be putting a post up here pretty soon.
Could be an X1.
It keeps going.
You never know
keeps
with
going.
us.
We're just out of disc by the time he keeps talking. We're out of disc.
You never know. I'm going to put out a flyer on Atlanta Disc Golf sometime in the next week with all the details. It will be one spin is $25, 2 spins is $40, and that will cover shipping costs or us getting the disc to you in whatever way possible. Everything in the spin to win will be worth at least what you're paying for. So it's like a live mystery box.
Yep.
You'll know exactly what you get right then and there.
Yep.
So without further ado, I guess I'm gonna slice that bad boy open. Yeah, everyone is gonna make fun of me for the whole knife thing. No, just don't cut the disc. I hear that's bad.
It's only in Atlanta.
Yeah, only in Atlanta. That's for sure.
Oh no!
Oh, no!
Oh, yard sale, folks! Yard sale. Here we go. Bottom of the bid. We've got the 15-year pin.
What?
Checking that out. You also have your Discmania mystery box and your Jolly Rancher.
Well, what's behind box number 2?
I don't know. I'm gonna enjoy a Jolly Rancher though.
It's a yard sale of stuff. Up first, we got. Oh, that's kind of bursty. An Evolution Vapor Method. These things are basically rocks without the bead, right? Or rock 3s without the bead, right? They're pretty stable.
Pretty stable. I love them, man.
This one feels really good. A little bit gummy. Not too overly gummy though.
Don't know if you can see that. It's got some tiger stripes right on the edge.
Really bursty.
Yeah.
Oh wow. Another black on silver
Oh
instinct.
my goodness.
With the that's like looks like waves almost. Yeah. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah. And let you guys know, these discs may
or may not
be part of Spin to Win.
Got another. This one's more of a darker blue Enigma. I think it's also max weight. I think your wish came true.
What? Yeah, pink tactic.
Got a pink tactic.
I love my pink discs.
This one's swirly too. It looks almost identical to the green one we got.
Yep. Definitely got some swirls in that. Special edition tactic, not just a regular tactics. Special edition.
One peeking. Oh yeah. All right.
Oh man.
C-Line MD4
Ooh,
max weight X out, and this one doesn't have an issue with the rim. This is a Rancho Cucamonga MD4. So
this may or may not be in my bag.
We got a
oh my gosh.
Active Line Shogun.
All pink. That's good.
For all of you Shogun fans out there, I mean, it's just a P2 with a bead, isn't it? Pretty much. It's close. A little more glidey.
Or for my East Tennessee people, the Shogun.
Double stamp method.
Is that base plastic?
It is base plastic.
Wow.
It's the Exo Hard, I believe.
Ouch.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no give in this, like, at all. Yeah. That is, I mean, that's like, that feels like an old rock that's just sticky. And then a repeat Genius. You already got one of these.
Twinsies.
Yep. So, got 2 of these with the snowflake on it. These feel really flippy.
If anybody out there throws
Really
these,
can't tell.
comment. Tell us how they go.
Yeah, never thrown one.
Yeah, we know I have no idea. Uh-oh. Is it pink?
This one is nasty.
Oh, you got it in plastic. You got it in plastic.
Yeah, this one is, oh. You know what I did get, Pink? Jolly Rancher.
I got watermelon.
Have another.
Sweet. 2 watermelons.
Got another 15-year Discmania pin, which we might just throw in during our spin to win in any random box. You never
And you
know.
always need a sticker.
And you always need a sticker. So here is the other C-Line MD1.
Ooh, boy.
That
puts mine to shame.
That is nasty. I mean, the rainbow stamp, I don't even touch it. If somebody wins this on the 21st, it will be untouched by us anyway. We won't touch it. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
So the other news that we have is we will be running a tournament at the doubles tournament, amateur doubles tournament at Chattahoochee Point.
Hold up. Hold up.
Hold up.
I thought this was a silver stamp. This is not a silver stamp. This is a money stamp.
What?
They didn't do too many money stamps, and I'm just now seeing it. Look at that.
It is
You
a
see
money.
the money stamp? See
Anybody
the money
else
in there?
like Ben Franklin's? That is a money stamp.
Ching ching.
Ching ching indeed.
And back to your regular scheduled program.
So we're gonna be running a doubles tournament. There will be 3 divisions: MA1, MA2, and MA3. Just for signing up for this tournament, you are going to be getting a Jaybird hoodie. We don't have them yet, but you will order your size. We will give them to you the day of, and we will also be bringing barbecue to the event.
Yep.
I make my own sauce. Jaybird makes really good barbecue. It'll be $10 a plate. That'll come with
A little bit of side action beans.
and some chips.
Boy.
And we will also provide a few drinks.
Yeah.
Water, Cokes, Dr. Pepper,
Yep.
whatever.
Absolutely.
Also some diet solutions.
Water.
Be on the lookout for that. I believe it opens up in the next couple days.
We're only going to have 36 teams, so
36
you're going to have to
total
get in
teams.
quick. All right, guys. Thanks for joining us. This is our mystery boxes. 20 discs, premium plastic. They could or could not be part of a future deal. So, if you like this content, just hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, tell your friends, share, all that good stuff. Comment. If we can do something better, comment. We want to know.
Please do.
Yep. But we got some super sick
Write
plastic.
a comment right now.